Absolutely. All right. So, Captain Bansal, let me bring you in here now. So, access to ports in Bangladesh is critical, really, to opening shorter and alternate routes to connect the northeast region. So, it's a win-win situation, like the ambassador put it, isn't it? Because it's significant from our perspective as well, because it cuts short the travel distance from Kolkata to Agartala from 1,600 kilometers by one fourth to around 450 kilometers.
Undoubtedly, I think it's a very, very big achievement, and we need to look at it into a historical concept. In fact, till 65, we could easily go through Bangladeshi territory to northeast. It's only after 65 war that all these roads were blocked, all these pathways which passed through Bangladesh were blocked. There were 7 railway lines which were going into Bangladesh at that point of time, functioning railway lines. But it has taken us such a long period to get back to normal. Today, fortunately, we have not revived 6 out of 7 railway lines. We have added 2 more. And I think these ports, access to all these ports will make northeastern states of India get supplies from India at a far lesser cost and far lesser time than was hitherto possible. And I think this is where it's very, very significant. Mongla port, Ambassador Veena Sikri talked about, which is a riverine port, is of course closer to Kolkata, but while transshipping cargo, Chittagong is of course a bigger port, and I think I'm looking for a day when it can be carried from Chittagong port by train all the way to Agartala, because the railway links are being established. That would improve the connectivity. And if we see last 6-7 years, as far as India-Bangladesh relations are concerned, we have taken India-Bangladesh relations to a new high, possibly to the level which existed between 71 to 75. Not only inland waterways are being worked out, we are working on railways. Of course, the day Calcutta, Dhaka, Agartala bus service was inaugurated, transit was virtually granted, because you could travel from Calcutta to Agartala via Dhaka, which was virtually transit without saying so. We are actually now exporting electricity to Dhaka from our northeastern grid, from Agartala and places, and Bangladesh is providing us the bandwidth.